In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your watch later playlist on your YouTube app. So if you had saved your videos to watch later playlist, you can simply go ahead and find them. However, finding them might not be that easy. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find them with ease. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking it and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open your YouTube app. And from here, go ahead and tap on your profile down here. And this will open your profile. Now from here, look for the option called playlist. It is just below history. We have playlist here. Now under this, we have private playlists. And one of them is watch later. In fact, it is the first one. So if you tap on watch later here, it will go ahead and display all the watch later videos that you have on this playlist. And to find the latest video, you have to scroll down, and then you'll find the last video to be the latest video that you saved on this watch later playlist. So that's how you find your YouTube playlist on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.